Gotta pull the jeans up. I'm so tall. Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm doing a very exciting Los Angeles haul of a few things I picked up while I was in America. And if you haven't seen my vlog, which I uploaded last week, it was a super cool trip. Basically I went over for work to interview will.i.am. So definitely go check that out if you haven't watched it already. But for now, let's dive into these goodies. I know if you've seen the vlog, you will have seen that I went to Tiffany Co because I decided I kind of wanted to get one big, really special thing rather than going to say like Target or Urban Outfitters and blowing like a whole bunch of money on like heaps of different things. Here's the little bag. It's so cute. I've never bought anything from Tiffany Co before either, so this is very exciting. The receipt comes in a little card like so, and this is the cute little box. It's just so luxurious. I love it. Adorable little box. Let's do a close-up on the box because it's just too cute. Also ignore I have one broken now. This is like a very casual vlog. Like I just got out of the shower, I haven't done my hair properly, just put on a little bit of makeup. I'm wearing like a hoodie. Super cash, but I just wanted to unbox all of these things because mainly I want to wear this necklace today. It's so beautiful. So basically I was looking at their classic little heart pendant necklaces, and the one I ended up choosing, if I take the packaging off, is the 2 double heart pendant. And I'll do a little close-up so you can see, but one of the pendants is actually blue. It's like the classic Tiffany's color, and I just thought it was really sweet. I liked this one because it sits flat on your chest, unlike the other big plain silver ones. They like twist around, which I found annoying. And the chain is just really nice and delicate and sits really high up. And yeah, I do already have this silver heart necklace which I wear like every day and I love. My parents got it for me when I graduated high school and I was runner-up ducks and I got a scholarship and stuff, so it was really special to me. But this one was just like a little more fancy, and I think the blue added a little extra something, and I am obsessed. So the next place that I went to that I spent a significant amount of money was Bath & Body Works, because it has been my dream to go there. I watched so many YouTubers talking about it, and I just wanted some candles, even though they're really heavy, but I had lots of luggage space, so it was okay. I thought about it in advance. The first things that I got were all of these mini pocket hand sanitizers because they had this special deal and it was like 6 for $6 or something, and they're so cute. I'm missing a couple because I gave one to my mom and one is in my handbag right now, but they're just like got the most insane scents, and I'm gonna give this one to my friend Alex because it says happy birthday on it and it's her birthday soon. I thought that was funny. So the first 2 candles that I got were gifts for my mom, but they are these 2 cute little ones. They're slightly smaller than the classic Bath & Body Works candles, but I thought they were really pretty with the little black lids. This one is white gardenia and this one is marshmallow fireside, and they're really strong scents, but I love it. Then I have 2 of the big boy candles. I'm very excited about this. Ooh. That was a close one. It's okay, we good. I got this. So this is the first candle. It is the pumpkin cupcake scented candle. When I was there, they had like all of their new fall range in, so like everything was pumpkin scented, so just decided to embrace the pumpkin. This is very, very sweet smelling though, so if you're not a sweet candle fan, probably not for you, but I just thought it was really pretty. Like I love the packaging and the pale pink. I thought it would look really cute in my room, and it's got this little fall pattern on the lid as well, so that was very exciting. The second candle that I got is actually for my friend Alex's birthday as well, and hopefully I will have given this to her before she sees this video. I'm gonna make sure I see her next weekend because I always forget her birthday, or like I'm always really late at giving her birthday presents. So I was like, this year I'm gonna be organized, I'm gonna get her something in LA and it's gonna be in advance and she's gonna get it before her birthday. So this one was really pretty. I liked the color of the jar and like the little label. I thought it looked really vintage and sophisticated and cute. It's like a lemon flavor as well, so I thought it was fresh. Hopefully she likes it. I really wanted to go to a US supermarket while I was over there, but I was only there for 2 nights and I ended up running out of time. But while I was at duty free, I did pick up this giant bag of M&Ms, which is the most random thing to put in a haul, but putting it in here anyway. And this was a request from my boyfriend, a giant bag of M&Ms, so that's for you, babes. I also went to this really cute bookstore in downtown LA, which I had seen on Instagram and I really wanted to go to, so I'm so stoked that I did get there in the end. So I decided, like, I didn't really need a book, but I wanted to pick one up just for the sake of it. Like, I can hold up this book and be like, yes, I bought this in LA from the last bookshop. That's what it's called, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. But this is the book that I got. It is Distant Shores by Kristen Hanna, and I read one of her books a while ago, and it is like my favorite novel, so I decided to give this other book of hers a try. And it's like a secondhand one, and it was only $4 US, so bargain. Haven't started reading it yet though. We'll put that on my pile. And then when I was at the register, I kind of impulse bought a cute little notebook because I'm just like obsessed with notebooks. And this one was particularly cute. It's made from, I think it's like recycled paper. Yeah. So it's really cute, and it's got like a little bit of a rustic vibe. And it was only $5 US. So again, I was like, I just want something to be like, I bought this when I was in LA. So obviously I was over there for a publicity trip with Specsavers, which is so funny because I said in my vlog when I just got my glasses like 2 months ago that like I wish Specsavers would sponsor me, because they do with all these bloggers, and they're not sponsoring this video at all. Like, they don't even know that I have a YouTube channel. It was purely just through work. If you don't know, I work for Women's Day. I'm a writer. And they kindly gifted me these 2 pairs of glasses, which I thought was really nice. So this is from Will's new range. Can't speak. These ones are very cool. I feel like, I don't know if I'm cool enough to pull these off. Like, he looks really cool in these. He's worn them in some of like the publicity shots, and he's just really cool. I'm a bit of a fangirl now. This is the second pair, which I really like. They're super chill and like cool looking, and I think they're like polarized. I don't know. I like them. These are the ones that I wore a lot while I was in LA. Now, I didn't buy any clothes in LA because I am trying to be like a bit more like ethical with my clothing shopping, which I've mentioned in previous videos. I did want to show you the jumper that I'm wearing because I bought this specifically for LA. So I didn't buy it while I was in LA, but I bought it for like the plane ride over. I bought it like the day before I left, and it is this really cute little cowtail hoodie, and it's just like this beautiful knit. It is amazing quality, and if you don't know, Cowtail is a New Zealand brand, and they use like all organic cotton, and it's all ethical and sustainable. And I just thought this jumper was really cute in navy. And then I also got a matching pair of track pants. They're a little bit wrinkly because they were folded up in my drawer, but they just look like this. Super simple, super comfy, got some nice pockets, and then the legs kind of flare out a little bit. And yeah, I thought they were really cute. They're super comfy for the plane, and I'm also going to keep these for my plane ride when I go to Europe next year, which I don't know if I've mentioned yet, but basically don't want to talk about it too much now, but I'm going to somewhere in Europe next year, next January. Very exciting. Stay tuned for more too excited. More news on that. Have you noticed that when I get excited I talk really fast and then I slur my words and then I can't speak? So that is it for this haul video. I know it was super small, but this is just like my style of shopping. I don't do massive hauls, and I'm really happy with everything I got. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching. Bye!